Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon taste less fishy. First, always start with fresh salmon. Rinse your salmon under cold water and pat it completely dry with paper towels. This removes surface compounds that contribute to fishiness. Next, consider a quick soak. Soaking salmon in milk for about 15 to 20 minutes can significantly reduce any strong odors. Alternatively, a brief 10-minute marinade in lemon juice or vinegar also works wonders. Once your salmon is prepped, it's time to infuse it with delicious flavors. Citrus-based marinades are fantastic. Think lemon, lime, or orange juice. These bright notes cut through any lingering fishiness. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or cilantro also add a wonderful aroma and taste. For a deeper, more savory profile, try a marinade with garlic, ginger, or a touch of soy sauce. Let your salmon marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results. The way you cook salmon significantly impacts its final taste. Baking or roasting at a moderate temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, helps keep it moist and prevents it from drying out, which can intensify fishiness. Grilling or pan-searing creates a delicious, crispy crust that locks in flavor. For a very delicate approach, poaching or steaming gently cooks the salmon, maintaining its natural, mild taste. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, the foundation of great-tasting salmon is its freshness. Always select salmon with firm, moist flesh and a mild, ocean-like scent, not a strong fishy smell. When you bring it home, store it properly. Keep fresh salmon on ice in the coldest part of your refrigerator and plan to cook it within 1 to 2 days. Freezing salmon immediately after purchase can also preserve its quality for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.